The best diet for weight loss. Losing weight is a common goal for many people, but it can be difficult to do without the right knowledge and guidance. A healthy diet is essential for weight loss and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. The best diet for weight loss is one that incorporates a variety of nutritious foods and is tailored to an individual's needs. When it comes to weight loss, the most important factor is to create a calorie deficit. This means that you need to consume fewer calories than you burn. A healthy diet should include a variety of foods from each food group, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. When planning a diet for weight loss, it is important to consider your individual needs. This includes your age, gender, activity level, and any health conditions you may have. It is also important to consider your lifestyle and food preferences. The best diet for weight loss is one that is tailored to your individual needs and goals. In addition to creating a calorie deficit, it is important to ensure that your diet is balanced and nutritious. Eating a variety of foods from each food group will help you get the essential nutrients you need. Eating plenty of fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats will help you reach your weight loss goals. It is also important to pay attention to portion sizes and the types of foods you are eating. Eating smaller portions and avoiding processed and sugary foods can help you lose weight. Eating foods that are high in fiber and protein can also help you feel fuller for longer and help you stay on track with your diet. In addition to eating a healthy diet, it is important to stay active. Exercise can help you burn more calories and build muscle. It can also help you stay motivated and keep you on track with your diet. Aim for at least 30 minutes of physical activity each day. Finally, it is important to stay consistent with your diet and exercise routine. It is normal to have days where you don't feel like sticking to your routine, but it is important to stay focused and keep going. Staying consistent will help you reach your weight loss goals. Creating a healthy diet for weight loss can be challenging, but it is possible with the right knowledge and guidance. Eating a balanced and nutritious diet, paying attention to portion sizes, and staying active are all important for achieving your weight loss goals. A healthy diet tailored to your individual needs is the best way to ensure success.